cuts up at like the elevation pole and stuff.
That's all right.
Bubbling around, trying to get a good grip. There they go. She's got the robot. They're probably going to back that way and get the board for the line. That's something about the clock. The 3.4 clock battling it out. 2:15 battling it out. We
might have a bad cable here.
467. 165.48.
Remember to turn the robot on.
That one's on. That one's not on.
Robot on, please. How you doing? Dimitri! Dimitri! Is it ready?
Yeah, the robot's ready.
Wait.
Second program.
Are we good, guys?
Good luck, guys.
Good?
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, it's all right. They can't fit under the goal.
What happened to our auto?
I have no idea.
What happened to our auto? Let's go. What happened to the auto? Okay, whatever. Is it like... That was weird.
Yeah, we got a lot to come back from.
Red one under. Red one under. Goes to blue. Blue one's under. Red across the plane pole.
I understand, thank you. Alright. Okay, ever get those here?
3, 2, 1, go!
What?
I can't.
I'm the going backwards.
Give me another.
25.
Coming back.
20. Go. 16. 15. 14. 13. Elevate. On the floor. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We got odds on though. That was a good match, guys.
Good game.
Good match, y'all. Good match. I can't tell. Yeah. 2 elevations in Alton, that should get us.
Yeah, because that's B tier, so we have the higher elevations here. 2 elevator robots.
Yeah, sorry about not aligning. I had to get the hang on.
Well, they had me like all like okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. That's a 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 4 tribal advantage.
You know what? We had anyone else on our schedule, we couldn't have him so much.
How do they win? We have an offline
No, 4 tribal advantage. So bad.
that doesn't cancel the
Wait, let me think. I don't know. Yeah. One second. Wait, 1 second. Well, yeah, so we have 2 alliance tribals in either goal, right? Both teams. We have Reddit 16 tribals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That I confirm. Blue tribal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you count that one? Yes. 13. And then 2 elevations. 2 elevations.
Can we ask?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Go to Win-Whoop.
Get your rock next support right now. Yeah, there you go. Next support. Just spin.
Just spin.